Hey y'all, I'm Coco and welcome to Koko'S Kitchen. What we have here today on this beautiful Sunday, look at this. We have Cornish hen, macaroni, and cheese. And we have smothered cabbage. Y'all see how pretty this is? Look at that. Okay, let's see what it's given. I think I want to try the macaroni and cheese first. Okay, let's see. With macaroni and cheese, I like to take and add assorted cheeses. Maybe 3 different types of cheese, however many types of cheese you want to use. And top it off with shredded cheese. So when you scoop it, you see the cheese, it just stretches. Gives it that strong texture. It holds it together. That's what it really does. And let's get with this cabbage. You heard me? I love cabbage. Um, I love green leafy vegetables, period. That cabbage is really good. I season all of this food with CKD Louisiana all-in-one seasoning. You're going to see the products on our website down below in the description. Time to mess with this Cornish hen. Tender. Look how tender. Look at that. They're falling off the bone. Look. Mmm. This is so good. When I do my Cornish hen, what I like to do first, I like to boil it. Season your water really well. You can put you a teaspoon of butter in your water when you boil the Cornish hen. Boil that Cornish hen first because hens are usually tough. Boil your Cornish hens first. Then once it's kind of tender, not too tender because you don't want it to fall apart. Take it out, put it in the pan, pop it in the oven for a good 20 minutes to give it that golden look, that golden color on the outside. This is delicious. Y'all, stay tuned for more videos of Koko'S Kitchen.